This is Dan Davis, and this is the Additive Report. What's Auburn, Alabama known for? Well, it's not for a university that beats Alabama football, that's for sure. Auburn, Alabama, also home to GE Aviation. That's important to us because in 2014, the company debuted a 3D printed fuel tip nozzle. Now, when they did this, they were able to reduce the weight of the part it replaced by 25%, and designers behind that part claimed the part was 5 times stronger, which is pretty important when you're 30,000 feet above the ground. That's important in 2019 because GE Aviation celebrated the 30,000th part printed down in its Auburn, Alabama facility, which is a lot easier to do than say, apparently. So, I invite you to check out the Additive Report, where we'll be looking at how 3D printing is making an impact on the real world of manufacturing.